Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Hey you guys, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today's video we're going to be talking about something that, I mean, it's really real. Like, it's really something that I've thought about, and I don't know how many of you guys watch Brie Hall, but recently, or probably like a week or so ago, she released a video about how she's on the journey of, you know, she's on the journey of putting more natural skincare and hair care products in her rotation. And there was something that came up in that video talking about how, you know, makeup, you know, you wear makeup, makeup is not 100%, of course. I wear 100% natural, or natural if any, of course. There are some brands out there that are more like plant-based and things of that sort. So I was talking to a friend of mine some weeks ago or whatnot, and it did come up where it's like, you know, I use natural skincare products, I use natural hair care products, but when it comes to makeup, lipsticks, foundation, eyeshadows, I'm not 100%, I'm not natural at all. Like, I of course use Burt's Bees lip gloss and I use their chapstick, but I'm not 100% natural. Now, there was something in Brie Hall's video that really stood out to me, and it was about one step at a time, or finding that balance, and I really related to that, because I love the beauty industry, and I love the fact that you can, you know, create your own face pretty much. You can use different eyeshadows, different lipsticks, different foundations. There's so much out there to get your hands into. And at that same time, you still want to be conscious about what you are putting on your skin. You want to be conscious about what you are, you know, introducing the largest organ of your body, your skin, to. And so I just wanted to have this honest and open conversation with you guys, and just kind of put in the forefront that yes, I do not, or no, I do not use 100% natural makeup. I don't. And I don't know when I'm going to be able to actually get there. I don't know when it will come a time where I'm like, done, I'm not shopping anywhere else. I'm just going to shop in or zone in on only these few items that are natural. Now, what I do want to start to do though is I do want to start to introduce some natural products or natural makeup products into my life. I do want to start to actually go out there and, you know, look at natural foundations or lipsticks, and start to pick and choose and introduce those into my makeup routine, just to have them, just to start to get the ball rolling. That's what I do with my skin. That's what I do with my hair. I don't know with makeup if I would ever go 100% just cold turkey, no more drugstore, just all natural. I can't say that's going to be the case, but I do want to start to look and add into that and open up my eyes a little bit more as to what is out there makeup wise that is more on the natural side. So if you guys have any type of suggestions, any brands, leave them down below. Flood my comments, feed me, and let's definitely start to balance that out here with me. And I want to start to actually introduce natural makeup into my world, and actually start to complete this circle a little bit, you know. And I've always thought about, you know, trying more natural things, and more natural makeup. I always thought about that, and I always wanted to. And a lot of times I just don't know where to start, and you have to really be careful because a lot of things out there really aren't 100% natural. Okay, so yeah, so with that being said, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and say that if you guys have any suggestions of natural makeup brands, leave them down below. Tag me on Instagram, let me know so I can go check them out, and so that I can start to actually introduce them to you guys, and we can try this out together and see what's really up with the natural makeup world. I'm really excited, and I'm really curious to know how far I can go with this. So with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video. Bye.